to recognize and honor Nigerian police. I'll start by first bringing the goodwill and congratulatory message on the leaders and heads of national government, governors in the 36 states of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, who, as a matter of fact, are very appreciative of the work Nigerian police is doing in Nigeria today. I want to congratulate the IGP. I want also to congratulate the former Inspector General of Police who are here in their numbers. IGP, I want to thank you for ensuring that your predecessors are here today with us in their numbers. That shows the power of proper coordination and the recognition of the Nigerian police as a family. Indeed, I must thank Mr. President, Mr. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for choosing Mr. Kade Okotokunbo at this time in Nigeria to be the IGP when insecurity became the order of the day. All forms of criminality ravaging the country, and under your watch, the police rose to the occasion. They stood up against insecurity, making sacrifices every day, paying the supreme price with their lives, and bringing and taming the counter-war on insecurity, criminality, insurgency, terrorism. Nigerian police are most congratulated. I want also use this opportunity to congratulate those who are receiving an award tonight for your good work, for working hard. Not only because you have worked hard, for showing commitment and earning this honor of being recognized tonight by the leadership of Nigerian police. I have never seen any motivation, any type of motivation that can be better than singling you out among thousands of officers for this recognition. It is something that is very encouraging and something that is sufficient to motivate you to do the more. I also want to encourage those of us who were not lucky enough to be honored tonight. We pray that we will work hard, and by the grace of God, that we will earn the honor in the next lives. We in Imo State are indeed very, very appreciative and grateful to Nigerian police for the other sister security agencies. From practical experience, it got a time in Imo State we thought that it was the end of the world. Imo State was almost overwhelmed by the activities of criminals, kidnappers, terrorists. So what did we see? Police raised up with their brothers and sister agencies, worked so hard. I can't remember the number of police officers that died trying to save Imo State. And at the end of the day, Imo State is not saved and has peace. So whenever any of these security agencies are doing something or want to do something, if we must not go there to fight, we must go there to support them. In this instance case, I am here to show solidarity to Nigerian police. So I want to thank you, and I will continue to thank you, and urge all of us to collaborate with Nigerian police. Democracy can only thrive if our police force is strong. Democracy can only be protected if the security agencies are strong. As we invite the government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the National Assembly to appropriation, to encourage and provide sufficient funding for our security agencies, we, the ordinary citizens, will also rise to give our moral support to ensure that the work we are doing in Nigeria is being appreciated. And it is in this encouragement to do the more, strengthen and deepen democracy in Nigeria. May God bless all of us.